Are you looking for the best false eyelashes in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best false eyelashes that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Ardel Duralash Naturals Individual Lashes. Ardel Duralash Naturals is a lightweight and comfortable false lash ensuring you feel natural all day. Besides that, they're not free and considerably easy to apply. Individual lashes enable you to customize the look. You can include as few or as many lashes as you desire. At number 4. Red Cherry False Eyelashes number 747S. Are you seeking short-length falsies? Look nowhere else. Almost any product that's named as Red Cherry requires barely any introduction. The Red Cherry number 747S lashes are handcrafted with actual, real hair. In turn, that guarantees a supernatural look that's unarguably appreciable. The number 747S lashes will ensure that your look remains subtle. You'll find it hugely easy to apply and remove these false lashes. They're a primrose-styled model that's definite to meet your preferences and needs. The broad variety of lengths available will enable you to select one that adapts to your look. You won't need switching your loyalty from one particular style to another. At number 3. Miss Kiss, Mink 3D Lashes. Made of 100% Siberian mink fur, the Miss Kiss false lashes provide a very vivid and soft touch. The false lashes is known for its easy wearing and can be reusable up to 15 times. You just require a reliable makeup remover to remove these lashes. They boast a cross style which gives you a more attractive, fashionable, yet charming look. They're suitable for both professional and non-professional use. At number 2. Ardell Deluxe Pack Lash. The Ardell false lashes supply the essential tools you'd need to produce stunning, vibrant eyelashes which are appropriate for nearly any celebration. The Ardell Deluxe false lashes provide a quite natural appearance for anyone who's conservative with their look. They're conveniently easy to apply, in addition to having multiple uses. This kit is worth investing in, considering the excellent value it offers. At number 1. Icona Lashes, Reusable Handmade. The false lashes from Icona Lashes are the best choice for those who seek for the natural makeup look. They give the very natural length with the perfect look to the eyes. The handmade lashes are made from synthetic fibers, PBT, with 100% cruelty-free so that they give the soft and gentle feel and wouldn't irritate the eyes. Moreover, the lashes are reusable of up to 7 times to save your money. The Icona Lashes come with the cute pink case saying, "Hello beautiful," for protecting the lashes and easy bring along for traveling. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.